Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dola AI on Android in 2026. Dola AI can help you manage calendar events, meetings, reminders, and daily tasks from your Android device. Instead of manually entering every detail into your calendar, you can communicate with Dola using simple natural language messages. First, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and access Dola AI. Sign in to your existing account or create an account if you're new to the service. After signing in, connect your supported calendar service. Follow the setup instructions provided by Dola and carefully review the permissions before allowing calendar access. Once your calendar is connected, you can start creating events from your Android device. For example, you can type, "Schedule a meeting tomorrow at 2 p.m. for 1 hour." Dola can understand the request and help create the event in your connected calendar. You can also create reminders for important tasks. For example, you could say, "Remind me to submit my assignment tomorrow at 6 p.m." This gives you an easy way to keep track of tasks while using your phone. If your schedule changes, you can also update supported events through Dola. For example, you might say, "Move my meeting to Friday at 3 p.m." Before confirming the change, check the updated date